Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by equipping the F creation fruit and positioning yourself where you have room to build. Once you have 50% or more stamina, open the ability wheel and bind the primary creation to your main attack. Then, aim at the ground or wall surface you want to change. The fruit reads contact points. Press the bound button to spawn the first construct. Make sure to move slightly as it forms so collision doesn't interrupt generation, because mobility keeps your sequence fluid. Once the initial piece exists, you continue by chaining additional creations. You can press the secondary ability within 2 seconds to link pieces. This preserves orientation and prevents gaps. Use Q and E to rotate, and hold Shift to snap to the grid for precise alignment. If you want faster deployment, consume a spawn speed booster before starting. That reduces time by about 15%. Also, alternate between ground and airborne placements to create To finish, reinforce joints using the tertiary ability so the creation resists damage and physics. Once done, save the configuration as a preset if available. This lets you recreate the same structure quickly next time. If something goes wrong, first make sure there's no overlapping collision and that your stamina hasn't dropped below required levels, then check the fruit cooldown. If the spawn still fails, reset your position and try a single piece placement to identify the faulty anchor point before rebuilding the whole sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.